Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 7, subject Physical Science, chapter 6, lesson name Physical and Chemical Changes. Students, last class we saw introduction about physical and chemical changes. Enna pathom last time physical and chemical changes lesson la define physical change and definition about chemical change. Once again I tell you physical change in which the molecules present in the substance remain in the same but the size, shape, state or position of the substances. The physical change is depends upon the size, shape, state or position of the substances. That is the physical change. Physical change is the reversible change. Next one is the chemical change. Next one is the chemical change in which one or more new substances are formed. In which one or more substances is formed is a chemical change. Chemical change is a irreversible change. Chemical change is a irreversible change. Next we will see physical and chemical changes. What is the difference and what are the properties of physical and chemical changes? First we will see physical properties. The physical properties of a substance are those characteristics that describe its physical in nature. It is a physical in nature. It is a reversible change like color, shape, size, state, etc. So physical change is depends upon the color, shape, size, state, etc. It is a generally physical change is a reversible change. Physical change is a reversible change. In such a change, no new substance is formed. Physical change is no new substances is formed. No new substance is formed. Example, melting an ice. So, example, melting an ice. Ice tubes are melt panna, solid state is converted into liquid state. Then once again, liquid state is cooled. Liquid is converted into solid state. Already I told freezing and melting. So example, melting an ice. Second example, boiling of water. So that is the physical change. It does not get a original positions. Okay, that is the reversible change. Next one is the chemical change. Chemical change means the chemical property of a substance or those characteristics that describe its chemical in nature like oxidation, flammability and reactivity. These substances are chemical changes. Chemical change means in a chemical change new substances formed. Chemical change என்ன பண்ணோம்? இப்போ new substances form பண்ணோம். For example, take a one candle. So the candle is burn it. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா the physical change is the burn ஆகிறது. That is the physical change. So அதில் இருந்து carbon dioxide gas வந்து release ஆகிறது. That is the chemical change. That is the difference of physical and chemical change. So example of chemical change is rusting of iron, burning of wood and baking cake. These are the three examples of chemical change. Students, already we saw difference between physical and chemical changes. I have attached one videos from this topic, physical and chemical changes. What are the difference between physical and chemical changes? And then one more PDF I have attached. So daily homework you revised in your home. Thank you students.